Hey all, today we are diving into the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure AI Foundations Associate Certification. In this video, I will walk you through what the certification is about, who should take it, and what you will learn, how the exam works, and why it's such a game changer in today's AI-driven market. So first, what is this certification really about? The OCI AI Foundations Associate Certificate is meant to give you a clear understanding of AI and machine learning basics, but specifically in the context of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Now, this is not a hardcore coding heavy exam. Instead, it focuses on concepts, things like what AI is, how machine learning works, what deep learning is, and how generative AI and large language models fit into all of this. So the idea here is simple. Oracle wants you to understand the AI landscape and also know how Oracle provides AI services on the cloud. So you're not just learning theory, you're learning how AI actually shows up inside OCI. And the best part, you don't need deep technical experience to get started. This certification is genuinely beginner friendly. Now, who is this certification actually meant for? Honestly, it's for a pretty wide audience. If you're a student, a fresher, or someone from a non-AI background who wants to step into AI, this works well. If you're already working in IT, maybe in cloud, data, testing, ERP, or even management, and you want to understand AI properly, this certification makes a lot of sense. It's also useful if you're a decision maker or someone who works closely with AI teams and wants to understand the terminology, the concepts, and what's possible with AI on the cloud. So overall, if you're looking for a low barrier entry into AI, this certification fits perfectly. Now, before we dive in, I've got two things for you. First, to help you prepare for this exam, we have put together a free guide with certification exam questions with detailed explanations that you can expect. So you can download that directly from the description below. And second, we have an Oracle AI job-oriented program here at K21Academy aimed at professionals who are working with Oracle or looking to build a career in Oracle AI, generative AI, agentic AI, and cloud AI solutions. We have helped over 46,000 professionals just like you land high-paying jobs and certifications. Successful professionals like Shrija, Steve, Mark, Devashish, and many have moved into high-paying AI roles using our proven three-step framework. So if you want to know more about this program, you can check out the detailed document in the description below. So now let's talk about why this certification is useful in the real world. So AI is no longer optional. Almost every organization is either already using AI or planning to. And cloud-based AI is where most of this is happening. So by doing this certification, you are showing that you understand AI fundamentals and how AI services are delivered using Oracle Cloud. So this can help you move toward roles like AI engineer, machine learning engineer, cloud AI roles, AI solution roles, or even AI-focused functional or architect level roles. So even if this is not your final certification, it becomes a very strong foundation. So think of this as your starting point into AI, not the end goal. Now, eligibility is very simple. There are no prerequisites. You don't need prior AI experience, you don't need Oracle Cloud experience, and you don't need programming expertise to register for this exam. If you're willing to learn and understand the concepts, you're eligible. So now let me explain how the exam actually works in simple terms. So this is a multiple choice exam and you'll get 60 minutes to complete it. So in that 1 hour, you'll answer 40 questions. Now to pass the exam, you need to score 65% or more, which is very achievable if you prepare properly. Now, one really important thing to highlight here, the exam is completely free. So there's no financial risk at all. You can prepare, take the exam, and earn the certification without paying an exam fee. Now, once you finish the exam, your results will show up immediately on the screen. You'll also get an email confirming whether you passed or not. And you can later view the detailed score report in the Oracle Cert View. Now, the exam is aligned with the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025, so the content is current and relevant. So now let's talk about what you'll actually study for this exam. So you can start with the very basics of AI, things like what artificial intelligence really means, where it's used, and how different types of data play a role in AI systems. You'll also clearly understand the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, which is something a lot of people get confused about. From there, the exam moves into machine learning fundamentals. You'll learn how supervised learning works, including ideas like regression and classification. You'll also touch on unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning, again from a conceptual point of view, not heavy math or coding. Next comes deep learning. Here the focus is on understanding how deep learning works at a high level. You'll learn about concepts like neural networks, convolutional models that are used in image-related problems, and sequence models like RNNs and LSTMs that are used for time series or text-related data. Then comes one of the most interesting parts, generative AI and large language models. You'll understand what generative AI actually is, how large language models work, and what transformers are, and why prompt engineering and fine-tuning are important in real-world AI applications. And after that, the exam shifts towards Oracle Cloud itself. You will get an overview of Oracle's AI and machine learning services, the AI infrastructure within OCI, and even topics like responsible AI. You'll also learn about Oracle's generative AI offerings and Oracle 23 AI, including things like vector search and how AI integrates with databases. And finally, you'll explore OCI's AI services such as language, vision, document understanding, and speech services, along with how APIs are used to access these services. So overall, it's a very well-rounded syllabus that balances AI concepts with real cloud services. Now, when it comes to preparation, Oracle does recommend their official training, especially the OCI AI Foundation Associate course. That's more than enough for this exam. Now, if you combine that training with hands-on exposure, like labs or practical examples, then it really helps solidify your understanding and makes the exam much easier. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly, free and industry-relevant AI certification, the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure AI Foundation's Associate exam is absolutely worth considering. It gives you clarity, confidence, and a solid base in AI without overwhelming you. So if you found this breakdown helpful, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. And also, if you're planning to take this exam, check out the question answer guide that I mentioned earlier in the video. You can find it in the description below. And also, all the very best. I'll see you in the next video.